Number 1. Gliese 581c, the Murderer Planet. The planet Gliese 581c orbits the red dwarf star Gliese 581, which sits 20 light-years from Earth. Like the other planets, it is also tidally locked. Therefore, it faces the red dwarf star while orbiting, and that's what makes it baking hot. While the other side, which is obviously dark, is frozen all the time. Despite its being enormously hot, scientists still believe that life could be possible on some parts of Gliese 581c. However, living on the surface of this planet would remind us of hell, owing to the fact that the planet itself is continually flooded with red and infrared light, which would eventually turn plants utterly dark. Number 2. HD 106906b, the loneliest planet. This breathtaking planet is about 300 light-years away from our Earth and hangs out prominently in a star constellation or group. Astronomers have been baffled with the discovery of this planet because it is 11 times the size of Jupiter. That's why it's been nicknamed Super Jupiter. In spite of its enormous size, this planet is also known as one of the loneliest planets in the universe because the distance at which it orbits its stars is 20 times more than the space between Neptune and the Sun, which is 2.8 billion miles. Number 3. TRES-2b, the Black Hole Planet. Almost the size of Jupiter, this planet is 750 light-years away from the Earth. Although TRES-2b is a gas giant like Jupiter, unlike Jupiter, it absorbs almost the entire light that strikes its surface. It reflects only 1% of the total light, as compared to Jupiter, which reflects 33% of the oncoming light. As a result, the planet looks darker than coal, as black as acrylic paint. This strange characteristic makes it one of the strangest planets ever discovered. Nevertheless, it isn't completely dark, being naturally hot. Number 4. 55 Cancri, the most amazing planet. For a layman, 55 Cancri would probably be the most amazing planet of all. This super-Earth-class planet was first discovered in 2004, and it's 40 light-years away from the Earth. It is twice the size of the Earth, and over 2/3 of it is made of carbon that eventually turned into diamonds and graphite. The present market value of diamonds would make 55 Cancri worth $26.9 non-million, which sounds like great news, but it would take investors 40 light-years to get to this mining project. Number 5. J1407b planet. J1407b was recently discovered in 2012 and is 400 light-years away from the Earth. It is believed to have obtained a planetary system which is 200 times bigger than those of Saturn. The ring system is so immense that a 56-day eclipse of the star it orbits has been observed by the astronomers. Number 6. Gliese 436b, a burning ball of ice. This bizarre planet falls in the Gliese catalog and is almost as big as Neptune. It's about 20 times bigger than the Earth, but unlike the Earth, it orbits its star only 4.3 million miles away. As a result, the temperature of Gliese 436b is constantly 822 degrees Fahrenheit, forming solid ice that covers the entire planet. Immense gravitational forces keep the ice intact that exists on the planet. Number 7. 7. Hat P1 planet. This unbelievably weird planet is a recent discovery and has since been a center of discussion among the astronomers. It is located 453 light-years away from Earth. This gas giant has been classified as a hot Jupiter planet that's significantly bigger than the predicted models. It has been believed to be bigger than Uranus. Number 8. Koro T7b planet. The very first rocky planet discovered in orbit of another star was Koro T7b, and it's at 489 light-years from Earth. Astronomers believe that, like Saturn and Neptune, it was once a gas giant. Then, because of being close to its star, the layers of atmosphere and gas were finally stripped away. As being tidally locked, the temperature of the side facing the star reaches as high as 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, while the dark side of the planet is frigidly cold, and the temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As a result, the vaporized rocks fall like a liquid rock, but eventually it hardens on its way before hitting the surface of the planet. Our universe is full of such wonders and marvels that are still unknown to mankind. Despite all the advancement in science and technology, we've hardly been able to discover just a tiny part of it. We can't say for sure how many worlds are going to be explored in the near or distant future. After having gone through such information about some of the most amazing planets, one can't help being amazed at the immenseness and mysteriousness of the universe.